Hi guys, so have you ever seen Google ranking a specific snippets or passages in the search engine results page, which is often known as passage indexing? But the question is, how does those really takes place and what are the factors that Google keeps in mind when doing this kind of thing? So in order to understand how passage indexing work, you need to understand one algorithm known as Smith algorithm. You can see the definition of Smith from the screen. It's a bit complicated, but the main agenda of Smith algorithm is to identify or extract passages which have semantically better relevancy and even semantically better similarity with the entire context of the pages. In short, Google uses Smith algorithm to identify passages within a set of long context or a landing pages, and it compares with a bunch of passages across the corpus, across the other comparators, and it measures on passage density. Now passage density comprises of a lot of factors: the utilization of long tail keywords, how much word count is there, how much the passage is similar to a particular context of the landing page, how much the passage is relevant to a particular context of the landing page. And comprising of all of these factors, this together constitutes a parameter known as passage density. And based on this passage density, Google tries to provide a passage indexing ranking, which is just like a featured snippet, and the entire process is known as Smith algorithm or Smith algorithm optimization. Even though there is no official confirmation regarding the same, but this is just an hypothetical statement, because ultimately SEO is all about experiments, because no SEOs can be ever made beautiful unless you do a proper experiment with the same. Thanks for watching.